feel like there's a vice squeezing your head or somebody beating a big bass drum in it? Sometimes it's a pain in your back or your shoulders or even your knees. Today, we're going to make a pain buster. This is a blend that I found to be extremely potent and works well with all different types of discomfort, and it's very simple to make. So to make this, we're going to take an empty bottle that had oil in it, preferably one of the ones that oils we're going to use. So we're going to use frankincense, marjoram, basil, and melissa. And we're just going to pop this out. You can use a lid or a knife. You can use just like a table knife to slide under there. You can use the lid to pop this loose. That works also. Or I've got a little tool that comes with roller bottles that you order off Amazon. So those are, any one of those will work. So it's all in a ratio. So it's going to be 3 parts frankincense, marjoram, and basil. So, and then 1 part of melissa. Melissa's on the spendier side. You don't have to use this. I think it adds quite a nice punch to it, but this works well on its own. Some people have been known to use lemongrass instead of marjoram. That works also, whatever you have. So I'm going to add 30 drops of frankincense. And then we're going to add 30 drops of marjoram. $30 drops of basil. And 10 drops of melissa. Then we'll put this little orifice reducer back in here, or dropper. Put the cap on, mix it up, and you're ready to go. Make sure you put a label on it, here or here, for pain buster, pain bomb, whatever you like to call it. Now, if you want to just try this recipe first without mixing a whole bunch of it up, I've given it to a lot of different people and they like it. It seems to work very well. So this is my little gel capsule. Take that off. And then you're going to add 2 to 3 drops. If you're not used to a lot of oils, I would start with 2. You can even start with 1. So there's my frankincense, my marjoram. Get an extra one, it really doesn't matter. And my basil is just about out. And then 1 drop of melissa. Put your little lid back on. And there you have our wonderful pain buster that will help to support your body during these times of discomfort and make you more comfortable, which is always a good thing. Yes, you can make it in large batches and put it in a gel capsule from here, or you can make it individually with just adding oils to your little gel capsule. So these, you can get these at from doTERRA. You can also get them at any natural grocers or any health food section of your grocery store, or from Amazon. So if you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.